What's going on, everybody? It's Nicky Bobby here, and today what I'm going to do is show you how to make these awesome dualies for your RC rock crawler. Now, as you can see, mine have a little snow on there because I actually just took this out driving just a few minutes ago in the snow, and I'll tell you, it is a ton of fun to drive this rock crawler with dualies on here. Not only is it a ton of fun, but I've actually noticed you get a little performance increase too. You see, by having two tires here, you increase your contact patch with the ground, and that increases your traction. In addition to that, you have a much wider wheelbase when you use dualies, so what that does is it gives you more stability, and it keeps you, well, at least it helps to keep you from rolling over sideways, which is super awesome. So not only do these look cool, not only are they a ton of fun to drive with, but they may even help your rock crawling as well. Now, this is super easy to do, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly what you need to get this done and how to do it. So that being said, let's dive right into this. Okay guys, so here's everything you're going to need to do the dually wheels on your rock crawler. First off, you want some zip ties, so go ahead and get yourself a bundle of zip ties like this. Next, you're going to need, in addition to your stock tires you have on there, you're going to need an extra set of tires and wheels like this. Now, this doesn't have to be super expensive. You don't have to get really nice tires or wheels. I literally went on Amazon and bought the cheapest tires and wheels I could find that were in my size, 1.9, and these work just fine. So you can buy really cheap tires. You don't have to make this into a really expensive project. So that's all you need to get started. Let's start making dualies. Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to do is feed the zip tie through the first wheel, and then you're going to feed it through the second one. Now this can be a little tricky if you have short zip ties like I do, so I'd recommend picking up some longer ones just to make this job a bit easier. And once you've done that, go ahead and grab another zip tie and feed it through on the other side of that wheel. Now, all you need are 2 zip ties per wheel. That's it. You can have 3 or 4 or as many as you'd like, but you just need 2. So once you've done that, just tighten them down and you're good to go. So check this out, guys. We have our dually wheels and they look awesome. Honestly, I love driving around with dually wheels because they're just so much fun to use. I don't know, just something about them is a ton of fun and they look really cool. In addition to that, they're super easy to make. All you need are just some zip ties and some old wheels or tires that hopefully you just have laying around somewhere. So that being said, guys, I'm going to wrap up this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.